welcome to this video. Today I want to talk about the Gemfan 5149x3. It's a very famous racing propeller right now, and yeah, I just want to have a quick chat with you about why I think it's a great propeller, and everybody I know at the moment is pretty stoked about this propeller. So, beautiful propeller, but as I already said, it's not the color, it's not the beautiful shape, it's just the flight characteristics of this propeller. You have to know that this propeller is only about 4.7 grams, so it's about, to compare it, the Dell 5046 Dell Prop Cyclone is about 0.6 or 0.7 grams heavier, and that's about 12% of the weight of the propeller. So the Gemfan has a really big advantage weight wise, and you just feel it in the air. The response is so immediately, especially with some powerful motors. I'm rocking the Emax 2206 2700 kV, and I think this is just a perfect match for this propeller. And yeah, if you give it some stick input, throttle input, it just spins up and down. It revs up so fast. I think you can hear it in the GoPro footage as well. It's just crazy. And yeah, the shape overall is kind of similar to the 5152, but they yeah, made the blade towards the hub a little bit thinner, but the outside of the blade is kind of similar to the 5152. So yeah, it's got great efficiency. If you compare it to the thrust it's putting out, it's crazy how efficient this prop is, and I'm really liking that. It's pretty durable as well. I just hit the tree here. All props are straight, nothing spent. I can go on and rip. And yeah, now I will show you some footage of me racing this thing here around this crazy track we put up. Yeah, have some fun, and make sure to check out these Gemfan 5149x3 props. I just love it, and I'm not the only one. Bye bye, see you in the next video.